Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to install FFmpeg on Windows. So let's get started. First we need to download a copy of FFmpeg. So let's see how we are going to do that. Open our browser and search for FFmpeg. Here is our search result. Click on the link that says www.ffmpeg.org. Now we are on the FFmpeg official site. Click on download, scroll down and look for packages and executables. Under it, move the cursor to the Windows icon. Now we can see two links for downloading FFmpeg. Let's click on the gan.dev link. Now we are in gan.dev. Scroll down and look for git master builds. Under it, you can find FFmpeg git full.7z. Click on that. After a while, the download will get started. I am cancelling the download because I already got one, but you should definitely download it. After finishing the download, open your downloads folder, extract the downloaded file. You can use WinRAR or 7zip for extracting it. On Windows 11, just right click on it, click on extract all, then again click on extract. Wait for a while. After that, open the extracted folder. You can see here there are a lot of files. If you open the bin folder, you can see the FFmpeg executable file. Well, we can run this program from here, but that is not what we want. So go back to the parent folder and select all the files. Right click on it, click on copy, open your C drive. Create a new folder, name it FFmpeg, and open that folder, paste all the files, then open the bin folder where FFmpeg is located. Click on the address bar and copy the file path. Open the start menu and search for edit the system environment variables. Click on it, a new window will come up. Click on environment variables, a new window will come up. Under system variables, look for path. Select the path, click on edit, a new window will come up. Click on new. Paste the path we just copied, then click in any empty space and press on OK. Again OK, just close any related windows. Now let's check if FFmpeg is working or not. So open your start menu and search for command prompt or terminal or PowerShell. Just open any of them. After opening it, type FFmpeg and press enter. If FFmpeg is working properly, it will show some error messages like this. As you can see here, FFmpeg is working, and that's it guys. Now any programs that need FFmpeg to work will find it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.